Hello, blendation. Welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back today with 2 palettes and 2 looks. Today we're going to be talking about, y'all, are the new iHeart Revolution, their new Halloween palettes. These are the Love Spell and Curse and Hexes. I'm excited to talk about these because as you can see, these looks is looking good. Before I get everything started though, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So if y'all want these ookie spooky dookie looks right here, just stay tuned. Alright guys, I wanted to have another mini little girl chat. I want to talk about limited edition holiday collections with makeup. You know, I do wonder with some of these brands, you know, how quick things are going to go on sale right afterwards, because literally a lot of these brands that, you know, they push out all these different makeup things and Halloween and all this, but I do wonder how quick this will, you know, especially limited edition. Sometimes they really get on my nerves with the limited edition things because I want more and I want to continuously get more. Sometimes the collections too are trash, let's be real, because they are repackaging up some things they already have made that's really good or just kind of okay, and they try to get rid of it. A lot of us know that about these companies. It's no surprise here, but a lot of that does suck when you're like, okay, I want to try something different. Give me something new. To me, so far, the Halloween launches have been pretty good, even though some are limited edition. But I am not too mad at it because a lot of these are pretty cool. I don't like when they put limited edition on certain things, because especially during the holiday, I don't like that, because I'm like, I really am getting into it, y'all. Like, hello, like, especially if it is pretty good, because a lot of times, I'm not gonna lie, these collections from these different brands usually are not good, you know, during the holidays, or just especially Christmas. Oh, but Halloween usually it is pretty relatively good, so that's why I'm like, what are y'all doing? But you know, they want to get rid of what they want to get rid of, yada yada. No surprise there. But I would really like them to keep certain things and not do it so much, and don't give out half kind of collections, you know, just because it's holidays and different things coming up and they're like, here you go. Like, really put work into it, you know, and stop making everything limited edition. Like, I know the uproar of, oh, I gotta get it, I want to get it, and that's what y'all do. It's a sales tactic. I know, I get it, but it's getting old. Especially when people like us still at home. That's it for our mini girl chat. It's a little one today. I just want to talk a little bit about limited edition holiday sets. So, are y'all ready for them? I'm ready for more. I'm ready for the Christmas ones. Bring them on. Back to the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on the mini girl chat. Guys, these looks are, let me put my phone down. Okay, these looks came out very, very good. Like, look at this. I love them. So I'm gonna start off with the first makeup book, which is Love Spells. So with this one, it's cute. It came like in a little packaging. It looked like a book on the outside of it. It still looks like a book. It does have I Heart Revolution on top of it. Has 18 colors, so soft mattes, rich metallic shades to cast a spell over you. So this is their whole thing about, you know, the cute little design, the love potions. So cute. This has a nice size mirror right up in there, smack dab in there. I was holding it a lot like this to get the mirror, but you can do like this too, but it's might as well just let it fall. Then they have all these gorgeous colors. These, they give you 18 colors, like I said. They do give you a lot of good mattes, a lot of shimmers and sheens. I love this book. I was gonna say this right now. You guys, I don't know, maybe I showed it when I was doing my tutorial, but the favorite shade of mine out of this book is Bewitched. That purple, oh, she's so good. That purple is so, so good. The red was extremely, actually the darker pink and the red, the Spell Book and the Spooky. Spell Book up here and Spooky right here. Those two blended out really good as my background shade that I needed to get that warmth back there. See, you still see a little bit of that red and that warmth. Love it. The Magic Wand is another one I did use, that deeper color. That one went on just like butter, very pigmented and blended well. I used two of these shimmers, Coven and Ethereal. I hope I'm saying it right. I don't think I've ever said it right. This one here and then that one right there. So the light purple, pastel purple, of course. We stand pastel purple in this household. So out of all of them, Bewitched is my favorite. I really did like Magic Wand and I really like Coven and Ethereal, or Ethereal. I hope I'm saying it right. The two shimmers, I did like those a lot. The color I didn't get to use, and of course, I'm gonna swatch them and show you. One called Shadow, one called Trick or Treat, Chantress. These are, oh, and look at Shadow. It's that duochrome. I know we've seen it forever today, but that one's really, really smooth. And I want to do a look with that color as well. It's like a maroon with green shift. So it's that duochrome, the traditional color you see a lot, but it's so smooth. I can't wait to just use that. Both of these books were 15 bucks each. And I got them on a deal for, because they would have been 30. I think I got it for 25. If you buy two of them, instead of them being 15, you get 30 bucks. I think it like took off 5 bucks. It was like $12.50 each. Love Spells. I love the whole aesthetic of it. I love how the purple's blended, the red's blended. You can tell the difference between the pink, the hot pink and the red. The brown was really pretty. I wanted it a little bit deeper though. I have to admit Luna was a little bit lighter. I can't wait to try Shadow. Magic Wand was really pretty. These were so easy to blend too, and I was like, okay, I Heart Revolution. I like the whole aesthetic of it, like the light pink. You know, I like softer kind of spooky stuff. We still gotta keep it kind of cute and pastel-y, but I did like this. When I look at this palette, I see all these 3 rows at the top is light and all these at the bottom darker. So the top is more color, more light, and the bottom is darker, richer colors. You can wear this any time of the year. It doesn't have to necessarily be Halloween-ish or spooky or fall time. It doesn't really need to be. It's still in that in-between any season kind of weather. I believe I used Spooky or Spellbook underneath to kind of smoke it out with the red. I love doing that, like smoking out with red. I know people smoke out with black, gray. I like red being smoked out. I like it, or a berry color, because it just looks like really distraught. It's really, really good. I am very pleased. I love the Love Spells one so much. Like, look at that eye. Look how that came out. It was effortless too. I was like, let me wing it. Let me just try since I have 2 books. Blended out so easy. I was like, okay. I don't think I've ever really bought Halloween kind of palette from I Heart Revolution before. I bought food inspired things and all that kind of stuff, but I never bought a spooky dooky palette from them. So the next book we're going to be talking about is the Curses and Hexes. Ooh. When I got it, I said, well, this is kind of creepy. But I said, let's check out these shades because I seen online they look kind of cool, but I was like, as long as we on crazy taupes in there. I think I see a dark taupe. Never gonna use it. That one's called Cackle. You already know the deal. Taupe and me, we don't like each other. She gotta go. Get up out of here. Look at this eye. That is the smokiest shimmer eye I've had. I don't do smoky eyes a lot, but the purple. The purple. Jinx. Oh yeah, oh yeah. She is beautiful. Disguise, that gray shimmer. Oh. And then what I use in the inner corner, Possess. It's like pastel powder blue shimmer. It's perfect. I did use Supernatural, of course, the black. We gotta use the bitty black, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm black, y'all. I end up using Bazaar at the bottom too. It's a Bazaar color. It's like a washed out, dusty, not powder blue, but blue. It's an interesting color. I like that they named it Bazaar because it's very bizarre. If you guys see, it's like bluish gunmetal right here at the bottom. I like it. Can't wait to create some more looks with it, but this one was very good for people that do like just darker colors. You like cooler tones. I think this is cute. This is cute to start off the Halloween spooky season with these palettes because these palettes are very cute. Out of the two, my favorite for me though, I have to say, I love Spells. This one's just, it's so me. We have more colors I can play with all year long. I would recommend both, especially if they have the 2 for $25 deal still going on. I will get both. And guys, that is my review and tutorial over the new I Heart Revolution, the Love Spells and Curses and Hexes palette. Thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me which one is your favorite, which one you want to grab, try out, which look is your favorite. And also, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. And I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye.